hope he's not after me. Well, I do hope he's after me, because then he would, if he was after me, he would be really stupid. But I don't think he's after me. That's why he wouldn't be. I haven't done anything illegal. Or have I? No. Oh my god, I thought that Tesla had lost its rear bumper. It looked like it with the wrap it has. Wrap it has. Wrap it has. Wrap it has. Those some fancy words. You know, like bling. The bling words. Whoa, I almost drove off the road. Psych. I had control of the situation all the time. Because, you know, I'm a good, responsible rider. Unlike contrary belief. Wait, what does that mean? I just said something that I'm not entirely sure what it means. So I'm gonna take that back. There, I took it back. I think I need to readjust my earplugs. I need to do that. It feels so weird with the camera on the helmet. It's like so much weight at the front, so when I shake it, it shakes so much. Usually when I just look at this, the helmet follows me. But when I do this, now, the helmet goes a little bit further. When I stop, it goes a little bit further. And it feels looser for some reason. Oh yeah, I have a cool helmet. I can pump in air in the helmet, so that it can be tighter on my head. I hate gravel. Whoa, I'm drifting so wide. Let's see if I'm filming. Yeah, I'm filming. Let's stop right here and readjust my earplugs. Are you serious? I'm an idiot. I put it on the wrong hand. There was an old lady there, and I started talking. I wonder if she heard me. When it comes to riding on the gravel, I suck. When it comes to riding on the tarmac, I'm a little bit better. I wouldn't say I'm like Valentino Rossi, but yeah, I'm better. And when it comes to riding in the rain, I suck. Well, I don't suck, but I'm not as confident and as good in the rain. I may be fast in my eyes, but I'm not that fast. Let's face it. We all have to face some tough realities every once in a while. My first one was when I realized I wasn't gonna make the NBA. You know, when I first started playing basketball, I was like, yeah, I'm 100% gonna make the NBA. But then, you know, as the years went by, you know, I realized, damn, I suck at this game. I didn't suck, but I realized I wasn't NBA caliber. So I had to give up that dream. But in my situation, I'm not upset. Sure, it would be fun to, you know, make the NBA, make millions, play basketball and everything. But it wasn't meant to be. And if it's not meant to be, don't force it. I think, well, yeah.